Hi, it's Heather Miche, coming to you with a sustainability tip for today. This is helpful, informative for you. Please like the video, ask any questions, make comments in the comments, and do subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and join my tribe here. So I'm showing you what is fertilizer. Probably something similar to weed and feed on a lawn here. Here's the bigger view. And it's kind of hard to see the pellets, and that's very fine. But you can see here the white little dust on that. So they're wanting to probably weed and feed their yard. But here's the issue. Here's the sidewalk. And pellets on this sidewalk. And of course, this is your healthful tip for you and your pets and your home. It's actually multifold. Number one, this fertilizer is going to invariably get eaten by the birds. It's going to kill off worms. And who needs that unnecessary death just for the sake of a, quote, perfect lawn? The toxicity of pesticides is horrendous in this country. Ask yourself if you really need to do this, damaging the ecosystem. Secondly, by having these bits on the sidewalk, you're going to pick them up in your shoes. If you're out walking your dog or just on your own, you're going to be tacking these things into your home. Not good. If you're going barefoot, that toxicity is going to be going right into your body. And your pets will be walking in the house on the floors with this toxic crap in your home. And how about dogs and cats? Don't they frequently lick their paws when they're grooming? Are you seeing this cycle of toxicity and poisoning for you, for your animals, for the pets? Thirdly, this is another reason I highly suggest everybody take off your shoes before you go into the house. Keep all the toxic stuff that's outside. Better yet, don't even use them. I'm going to link the video that I made that shows all of the reasons why it's best to leave your shoes at the door. That's for you and your guests. So again, do you really need to use these toxic chemicals and kill off all the beneficials? Well, maybe not all, but many. Nope. And it certainly makes anything that's edible, like this dandelion, unusable because it's going to take up the toxic pesticides into its system. Put some thought to it. Take care of yourselves, take care of your animals, take care of our fabulous Mother Earth. Thanks for watching. And again, if this was informative for you, click that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And ask me any questions, make any comments in the comments. Take great care and fall back in love with the earth.